Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 22. Today, we will explore SQL optimization techniques, powerful tools to speed up your queries and improve performance. We will cover indexes, joins, and how to read query plans. Optimization means making your queries faster and more efficient. It helps reduce resource usage and improves response time, especially in large databases. Indexes help speed up searching and filtering. They work like bookmarks, allowing SQL to find data faster. Use create index to define one. There are different types of indexes: clustered, non-clustered, and composite. Each serves a unique purpose depending on how your data is queried. To optimize joins, use indexed columns and avoid pulling unnecessary data. Inner joins are generally faster than outer joins when you don't need unmatched rows. Use explain to view the query execution plan. It shows how SQL processes your query and helps you spot performance bottlenecks. Here is a simple fix. Adding an index on customer ID speeds up the query dramatically. Always check if your where clause uses indexed columns. Common mistakes include using select star, missing indexes, and writing complex joins without filters. These slow down your queries. Let us practice. Create indexes, optimize joins, and use explain to analyze your query performance. In e-commerce database, indexing product ID and optimizing joins between orders and inventory can drastically improve performance. Try these mini challenges. Add an index to the students table, optimize a join with the courses, and use explain to compare query speed. Your assignment: create products and sales tables. Write queries to retrieve sales by product, optimize with indexes, and analyze with explain. To summarize, optimization makes queries faster, indexes speed up access, joins connect data efficiently, and explain helps analyze performance. Tomorrow, we will dive into stored procedures.